Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something incredibly important for anyone applying for internships or jobs. The recommendation letter. Specifically, we'll be diving into why a recommendation letter is crucial and look at two different templates for writing a compelling letter. Whether you are a student or a professional, this video will provide you with the valuable insights to enhance your application process. So before we proceed, I would like to tell you that this is my channel and please go and subscribe here so that you will get a lot of information daily. Okay, and here if you are a student or if you are a professional, this particular playlist will definitely help you, where I'll be discussing about the internship opportunities, job opportunities, free courses, lot more thing in the skill up. So please go and watch that. So let's first understand why this recommendation letter is important, because this has four important reasons. One is validation of skills. So it serves as a third party endorsement of your skill, qualification and character. Second one is insights into your abilities. It provides detailed insights into your technical abilities, work ethic and achievements that might not be evident from your resume alone. Third important thing is personal connection. It adds a personal touch to your application, showing that someone with incredibly credibility is willing to vouch you for. And the fourth one is differentiation. In a competitive field, a strong recommendation letter can set you apart from other candidates by highlighting unique aspects of your performance and potential. So let's dive into the important letter format. So this is a format one I'm going to discuss about. Okay, so you will be getting your recommendation letter in your college letterhead. So, which is more comprehensive. This template is more comprehensive and detailed. This format is ideal when you have plenty of achievements and experiences that you want to highlight on. Okay, so the first one is what internship program coordinator. So you have to print it, you have to get it from your college letterhead and the date. Okay, for example, if you are getting it today, so it will be good, or when you are planning to apply, that date is preferable. And internship coordinator, Microsoft Corporation. So this is, I'm just telling you for Microsoft internship program, which I have explained yesterday. Okay, even you can just replace this with any corporation or any company which you are applying for. Okay, so that is, you have to decide upon that. So this is for the internship program coordinator, whatever the company you are applying for, and the address and the city, zip code, everything. Okay, and here, dear internship coordinator, so this is like either who should write this recommendation letter, your HOD or your principal. So who is having like who is like he should have some renowned accolades and everything. Okay, so he should be able to give you attestation, like a stamped attestation and signature. That is very important. So I am pleased to recommend your name. That is, I am pleased to recommend, if you are, for example, if I am getting the recommendation letter for my internship. Okay, so I am pleased to recommend Gomati for the software engineering internship at Microsoft as the head of department or principal. So whatever it is, whatever I have mentioned inside the square bracket, okay, that you have to replace. Got it? You should not use the square bracket. You have to replace that with your name, at which college you have studied, and I have observed his, her or their. So most probably the recommendation letter will be for a single person. So just go ahead with his or her. Exceptional technical skills and dedication of a software engineering. Gomati is currently pursuing a bachelor or master's degree in which field, at which college. Okay, he, she or has demonstrated strong proficiency in object oriented. So in my case, she has demonstrated strong proficiency in object oriented programming languages, particularly you can specify Java or C++. C++ is not completely a object oriented programming language, so you can specify even Python. Okay, and has completed projects that showcase her ability to solve complex problems and develop innovative solutions. So one notable project involved, so if you have any projects that you can just detailedly describe, where you can Gomati explain what was done on the outcome. So Gomati explains these things and what is the outcome of that particular project. Okay, this project highlighted her technical capabilities and teamwork skills. So Gomati quickly learns new technology and methods, consistently seeking feedback to improve. She embodies the value of integrity, respect, and accountability, making her an ideal candidate for the internship. I strongly recommend Gomati for software engineering internship at Microsoft. She has the technical skill, work ethic, and collaborative spirit to excel. Please contact me. This is not your phone number. This is your who is writing this recommendation letter. Okay, if you need any further information though, so this is like your HOD or principal, so you can also mention. Or yes, so here sincerely we are writing the phone number and email ID of the principal, so you can write your phone number and your email address. Okay, so please contact me, in the sense you have to write your principal or HOD phone number and HOD email ID. And thank you for considering Gomati sincerely. So they have to attest. Okay, so this place they have to attest and give their signature, whatever it is. Okay, so this is one format, and let me just discuss about the second format. Okay, so what actually here we are doing, if you wanted to write it in your own, so what you have to do is, what you have to tell what is the relationship between you and the recommendation, those who are giving you a recommendation letter. Like he is a principal for you, or he is a HOD for you, or he is your teacher, your professor, okay, senior professor, or the lecturer, or someone who really guides you. Like it should be like they should be able to give the attestation and signature. Okay, and what is the academic and technical proficiency, you have to highlight that. Any project example you can give, and personal qualities you can tell, and finally conclusion. Next one is what you can also see, one more template I can also explain that. Okay, just scroll down, you can see this is comparatively it will be little small. Okay, that is a concise. Okay, so anyhow, this should be in a college letterhead, the date and internship program coordinator and everything. I'm delighted to recommend Gomati for the software engineering internship at Microsoft. So here you have to tell what is the position of the internship and at which company. Okay, as the head of department or the principal at this college, I have an opportunity to supervise Gomati and can attest to her exceptional capabilities and dedication to the field of the software engineering. Gomati is a third year or fourth year student pursuing a bachelor or master degree in engineering, whatever it is, computer science or anything at this college. She has demonstrated a solid foundation in object oriented programming language such as Python, and has consistently produced high quality work in both coursework and the project. One significant project that highlights, so you can tell, if you don't have any project you can just leave this particular paragraph. Okay, but I recommend, if you are into second year or towards the third year of the program, I request you to please go and try any project. Okay, it's open source, there are a lot of projects which are available. Just try to understand what is the code and try to use that. Okay, so that is very very important, you have to try that. If you don't have now while applying internship, no problem, just delete this paragraph and just apply. Okay, and your name is quickly Gomati is a quick learner and readily adapts to new technologies and methodologies. I'm confident that Gomati will bring valuable contributions to your team as an intern. And then you can tell this, and finally you have to get the attestation and the letterhead and get the sign from them. Okay, so I will be leaving this template in the pinned comment section. Okay, so you can first I request you two things. You have to request the edit access. Okay, I'll be providing you the edit access here, and then I request you to take a copy of this, because many students and professionals will be needing this. So I request you to take a copy and then do whatever the changes you want. How to take a copy? You can go to file. Okay, and then you can click here, make a copy. This is the way which you can do it initially. Okay, if you don't want to request any edit access, you can just click here and click this click here and click this, make a copy. Okay, so here it will ask you like make a recommendation letter copy. So this is what the recommendation letter you should be saving. So recommendation letter for, you have to replace your name and which internship. Okay, while downloading, they will be downloading like in this format. Got it? So either request the edit access, or else, even if you are requesting the edit access, please go and make a copy here. Okay, you don't even need to like request and wait for my approval. You can just directly go here and click make copy. That will make a copy in your Google Drive. Then you can utilize this. Okay, so I'm just leaving this format with you all the best. Apply. So don't worry like whether I don't have any project with whether I'll be getting the internship or not. I don't have this achievements, I don't have that achievement. Don't think anything like this. Okay, just apply. Sometimes you may get it, or else if you feel like sometimes if they are sending you a regret email, understand why you have been regretted, like why you have not been selected. Then you just try to like learn something and then add those things into your resume. Okay, so if you have any queries related to your internship program, your research or certification readiness, anything related to technology, you can just connect with me. The link is in the description. Okay, so, to sum up, a well crafted recommendation letter can significantly enhance your internship application by providing a credible third party endorsement of your skill and qualities. Whether you choose the comprehensive or concise template, make sure it highlights your strengths and aligns with the requirements of the internship you are applying for. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave the comment below or reach out to me directly, or else you can just schedule a call with me. I'll be there to help you out. Thank you for watching and best of luck with your internship applications.